Sir, please. Don't do this to my wife, man. You don't know what you're doing to my family, man. Please. I'm begging you. I'm literally where am I going to put my feet?
Today's video takes us to the great state of Oklahoma, where we learn that a former attorney, and I say former because he had his law license suspended, oh dearie me, and he still says he's an attorney. Now, whether he's an attorney or not doesn't matter, man. You had your license suspended, so you can't practice law. But he's a pretend attorney. He's a wannabe. Just I'll sit back, watch, have a good laugh, and most of all, enjoy!
In a developing story, a Tulsa attorney who was arrested last year on assault charges just had his law license suspended by the Oklahoma Supreme Court. Now, last August, Ronald Durbin, who filed a lawsuit against the city.
Yeah, this yahoo is no stranger to law enforcement. Look at him here in his cute green shirt and his green shoes. Looks like you're headed for the golf course. Or were you headed to a clown meeting? Yeah, I don't know anybody that wears green shoes. But anyway, he is a real hot mess. Let's continue with the news story.
Was connected to an incident involving a city security guard. This is some video later on. A day after appearing on a Fox 23 investigation questioning how a judge handled his lawsuit against 3 city councilors, Durbin was charged with assault.
You know, for a guy who went to law school, he's not the sharpest knife in the drawer. Matter of fact, he's a few fries short of a Happy Meal, not to mention he's got some loose screws. Must have fallen out of the stupid tree as a young child and hit every single branch on the way down. What do you think, good people?
A complaint was filed against Durbin alleging professional misconduct. The state Supreme Court found Durbin guilty and suspended his license.
Yeah, this yahoo I just posted about yesterday. He was denied entry into a courthouse and he made a big stink about it. There he is again with that trademark green shirt, green hat, green sunglasses. He's just a green kind of guy, huh? Yeah, well, the people he's hanging around with now are not good and are only going to get him in more trouble than he's already in. But hey, such is life, right? But if you enjoy watching stupid people do stupid things on my channel, please subscribe. Because there's absolutely no shortage of stupid people in the world. Check out Dr. Dave's website too. It's at drdave.media. That's all you need to type in to find it. There's a plethora of fools over there. Matter of fact, if you go to Google and do a search on my name, Dr. Dave, Debunker of Frauditors, you'll find every single social media platform I'm listed on. And there's a bunch of them. I think I got 12 of them now. Most of them feature Goat Boy, because he didn't want me to post any more about him on YouTube. So I said, okay, I go to other social media platforms and post about the lad. I don't care. As far as this yahoo goes, man, his license has been suspended and he's in trouble. Cheers of that.
What's his name? What's his name? I want his name. Hey, don't leave because you're detained, bro. What do you think about your service here today, ma'am?
You know what? If you're gonna be such a jerk...
He was being disorderly. He was being disorderly. And we're not breaking the law. We shouldn't have a problem here, right? Racist. Oh, that's a hate crime. You're being disorderly. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police. Lower your voice. You're getting aggressive now. If we're in public property, you have to have a crime in order to trespass us.
Said, take your hands out of your pocket.
I'm asking for a law.
We don't know what the heck you're going to do right now.
Sir, we're not doing anything wrong.
What's the Third Amendment?
Let me go talk to him.
Yeah, nobody knows the damn Third Amendment.
This guy's being disorderly, but it's okay because he's a cop.
Get away from me. Get away from me.
But you can citate them.
Yeah.
Are they going to be cited for disorderly conduct? In America, the land of the free, where we choose to do what we want as long as we don't break the law, who the hell do you think you are?
Fucking man, dude.
I'm not doing anything to you.
Bitch ass punk.
I'm not doing anything to you. I'm not doing anything on you.
Freedom of speech, he never said fighting words.
Those are fighting words.
How is that fighting words? If you feel like fighting, it's your problem. He's not doing anything wrong. I can guarantee you, sir, I can take a video of myself farting and thousands will see it.
Dude, you're in my space. Get away from me. Call the police, would you please?
Just know that we are the bosses, bro. We are. You're not. You have a gun? Yeah. It's your Second Amendment. Guess what? I have a camera. We're going to speak to the mayor about this. By the way, sir, you're in Auditing America with over 100 million views on the internet. I don't have to discuss my day with you. Who are you? Can you briefly, in one sentence, tell us what the Third Amendment is about? You don't point your finger at people. We weren't harassing anyone. Oh, you assaulted me.
I did so many.
You assaulted me. She assaulted me.
Come on, we're on camera. We're on camera. Smack me, okay?
Who's talking about violence?
Come on, man.
Who's talking about violence?
Get out of my face. Get out of my face.
Hey.
Get out of my face.
I'm not backing up. No, you asked me.
You're
I'm
causing a
not.
disturbance.
If you touch her, you're going to go to jail.
I'm not touching her.
Get back up.
I don't want to touch either
Back
one
up.
of you.
Oh, the shit show at the post office. You should be crying about that line that you're making. My God.
Why are you crying about cameras?
I have an anxiety problem.
What's your name?
I don't answer questions. And that is why, my friends, Mr. America does what he does. And then you become a tyrant.
And we can nicely
I'm
refuse.
a tyrant. Who are you?
Who are you?
You're sitting here
Who are
recording
you?
people without their permission.
I'm a camera guy, and I'm in a public place. What's your problem, bro? I'm my own boss. I'm my own boss. I'm my own boss.
If I take their mask first, then we'll be going to
What you gonna? I bet you don't have the balls to do that. We have authorization.
I don't want to be on your camera.
Maybe being in a public
How
place is
about
not the
common
best.
courtesy?
Now it's your turn to walk away.
I can walk away whenever I'm. I
You can
really.
walk away now.
Am I being detained?
No, that's why I just told you to
Okay,
walk
I'm
away.
free to
That's
leave.
the opposite of detainment.
Oh, okay, I'm free to leave.
So go ahead. Yes, please.
Okay, I'm free to stay too. Listen, bro. Slow your roll.
You have an appointment.
I'm not talking to you. What the Third Amendment is, and I'll be on my way. You don't have to tell me verbatim. You can just tell me briefly what's the Third Amendment about.
Why'd you do that?
We asked you multiple times.
Okay, but why did you do that?
I don't need to speak with you, sir.
Who you need to speak with?
Get away from me.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
You're too close, bro. Never break the law. I know my boundaries. I know where I'm at. I'm not interfering with anybody. I don't need you guys to explain to me how to behave myself. Take this one more personal because I've been in there and I know exactly what you guys do. I know exactly how you guys treat the inmates. Don't touch me. Don't you ever touch me again. All right? Keep your hands to yourself. Why are you touching me, bro? You are a Nazi, sir. And we can get you fired. You know that?
Traveling, we can ask you to leave.
You don't. You can ask, but I can nicely refuse if I'm engaged in a constitutionally protected activity. Hey, man, but you have a gun and I want you to stay away from me. Before you enter those doors, all of you stick your tongue in your asses. You touch me. You touch me. Why you put your hands on me? Why you put your hands on me though? You hit me. You can't go anywhere. Look at this guy is following me.
You're the one that calls me over.
Leave me alone. She hit me. She hit me. It's on video. She hit me. And now she's detained by the police. I have freedom of speech. You don't tell me what to do. Who do you think you are? Let's stay right here. No, you can't. You're escaping. Yeah, you're helping a criminal. That's a crime too. You were all up in my face. Why don't you get in my face again, stupid? I'm sick of you.
I don't think there's a crime that's been committed.
You haven't made an investigation.
Okay, well, did he assault you?
What are you going to arrest me for? Trespassing? What's the crime? You need a crime to trespass somebody in a public place. What's the crime?
Sir, I tried to explain.
What's the crime?
Clearly, you just want to argue.
Well, no, of course I want to argue. I've been violated right now.
First one.
You're required to know
What's the
this.
first one?
I'm asking you.
What's the first one?
I'm asking you, sir.
What's the first one?
What you tell me?
I'm asking you.
No, I'm asking you, sir.
Okay.
You don't give us orders. What don't you understand about that?